David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com, and in this video you're going to learn why you are costing yourself money by not being a subscriber to my trade alerts. So if I transferred all of my knowledge to you, you still would not have my experience. You would still not have my obsessive desire to become the absolute best trader in the world. So even if you had all of my knowledge and you learned everything, you get paid by selling option premium for making good decisions. And I can tell you that the reason why my subscribers to the real-time trade alerts maximize their profits and minimize their mistakes is because their entry and their exit points are significantly improved based upon my experience and my desire for constant improvement and to be the best person that I possibly could be. So even if you had all my knowledge, you still don't have my experience, and you're still costing yourself a tremendous amount of money and increasing the number of losing positions and headaches that you have because you're just simply making bad decisions and not optimal decisions when you enter positions and when you exit positions. So a lot of people I know that they don't want to spend $349 a month. They want to try to do things themselves. They want to punish themselves. They don't believe that they deserve it, that they're worthy of the investment. You know, they feel like a badge of honor by doing things themselves. But the truth is that you're costing yourself a lot of money, because even if I transferred all of my knowledge to you, you get paid when you sell options by making good decisions. And the decisions that you make without my guidance are not going to be the same decisions that you make with my guidance. You're not going to know how to roll the positions correctly. You're not going to open the positions as optimally. So if you think that you can do things yourself, then more power to you. But that by not being a subscriber to my real-time trade alerts, you are costing yourself money, you're costing yourself opportunities, and you are increasing the number of mistakes that you're making and problematic positions that you have. So yeah, watching these videos are fantastic, but once you really get serious and you want to be the best trader that you possibly can be, then the best way that you can do that, regardless of whether you listen to Tasty Trade or anyone else, the best way that you could possibly do that is by following my alerts and increasing your skill level and mimicking the decision-making process that I make. Because it doesn't matter if you analyze high IV or delta or vega or any of those things. The way that you get paid is by making trades and making optimal decisions. This is David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. You can enter your email at beststockstrategy.com and receive $400 worth of free information. And if you have any questions, let me know. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe.